Hello guys, welcome to part 3 of modeling a katana in Blender. So previously we modeled our katana, and in today's tutorial we will model a scabbard for it. So let's get started. So for modeling the scabbard we will add a plane to the viewport by pressing Shift A. After adding the cube, rotate it 90 degrees on Y-axis so that it faces toward you. Now we have to scale this cube so that it align perfectly with the reference image by pressing S. After scaling the cube to the size of the reference image, now we have to arrange each vertices according to the reference image. For that, click on the vertices and move them according to the reference image by pressing G. Move all these vertices until you get a nice scabbard-like shape. Here is a tip for you. Sometimes when we are modeling something and we have to select faces that are parallel to each other, then we cannot select them in solid mode. So here is the tip for selecting such faces or vertices. We can simply press Alt-Z to enter X-ray mode. In X-ray mode you can select faces that are parallel or hidden by another faces. Also click on the subscribe button to get more like these videos. And if you like the video, then like and share. I would appreciate it. So now again to the video. The basic shape of the scabbard is almost complete. Now go the Z-axis and extrude the plane on X-axis a little and place it at the top of the katana. Then add subdivision modifier to it and shade it smooth. And then add loop cuts to it by pressing Ctrl R. Now select the first face of the scabbard and inset it a little by pressing I, and then extrude it inwards by EY. Now select the middle faces in the X-ray mode separately and inset it a little. Then duplicate it by pressing D and the extrude it outward by pressing Alt-E and extrude along normals. Then SCLE them on Y-axis and duplicate them. Now select the top faces and inset them a little and then extrude them on Z-axis. Now add a plane and scale it on X and Y axis so that it matches the reference. Then add loop cuts to it and then extrude it on Z axis and add a subdivision modifier to it. So this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed it and also subscribe to stay connected. With this, our katana is complete. Now we will add textures to our model in next part. Make sure not to miss it. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comment section.